cleaning a completely new tract of land today, laying over the 1918 topo maps again using historicaerials.com. Indicated there was about 4 or 5 house sites out here. Now the problem is when you're looking at a 1918 topo, you don't know if the house site was there for 10 years or 60 years. So far we've hit on a couple of them and they've been late, like early 1900s stuff. Well, you know, turn of the century. I think this one's about the same, but I actually got a cool target out of here. And I thought it was trash at first because I've been digging a lot of aluminum out in this field. So I was cleaning it off and it looks like it's a 1929 Hampton County dog license. So that's kind of cool. Neat find. So I'm using the Teknetics Special Edition. Actually, a little fun fact here. The Special Edition T2 and the Limited T2 are the same thing. The Special Edition was marketed for Europe. How and why I ended up with a Special Edition. The Limited is marketed in the American markets. But anyway, same machine. Using the large coil, stock coil. Got a great little target here. Looks like it's a bell. A brass bell. That's exactly what it is. Very cool. Might have been on like a goat or something like that, so they could keep up with them. Neat. Got a piece of brass in the hole. Just see green. Don't know what it is, if anything. And it looks like it's a folded up brass fork. Oh, I kind of nicked it right there. Give me just a second. Let me brush this off a second. So yep, it's a fork. It's been all rolled up. Cool. Alright, so there's my buddy Jesse right back here. He's working it a little bit. We were on his property earlier today and we are at this site here, and it looks like I just got a token of some kind. I've kind of cleaned it off a little bit already because I didn't know what it was. What I can tell, it looks like it says kite tobacco. Kite tobacco, and I see trust at the bottom, and fortunately you may be able to read it through the camera, but I'm not able to make it out completely here. So I'm just going to take some cleaning. Hopefully if I can get it cleaned up well, then I will put a cleaned up picture here too. But that's pretty cool. Kite tobacco. Got a coin target right here. Every time I've done this, it's ended up being just a wheat penny, but you see the curve is kind of in the root there. At the age of the site, I keep hoping maybe one of these will be an Indian at least. And no, it's going to be another wheat penny. But what a fine looking wheat penny it is. Okay. In the final field of the day, before I have to head home, and looks like I finally got my first button. Done a lot of hunting this weekend, a little tough, but sweet. Love digging buttons, even plain flat ones. There we go. So I've dug a couple more little cuff flat buttons, and I think I've gotten into a little hot spot here. Got a few pieces of china. Looks like I've got a brass buckle. Yep, D buckles. Nice. Good early brass. Love it. Saving History t-shirts, hoodies, and long sleeve shirts are now available at detecttees.com. You can order them in pretty much any size and any color that you want. So I've put a link in the description below to detecttees.com so you can check out Saving History gear.